I'm going to go over a small little kind of hydration pack from the company REINOS, I think's how you would say that, and I want y'all to check this thing out. Let's just kind of go over some of the features of this. Number one, very nicely padded back for comfort, so when it's right up against your back, it's not going to push on it. But check out this little hidden zipper right here, and the zippers on these things feel pretty high quality. I love that there's a little hidden zipper right behind you. This is where I keep my wallet and stuff like that. You have grommets for connecting there. You have this chest like connection that runs across right here. There's the little thing for holding the water, you know, your water bite tab down. You've got adjustments here and adjustments here, reflective stripes right here, a handle for carrying it or hanging it up. Right here's where the, you know, the hose will come out. You can do left or right, whatever side you want to go on. You've got a reflective stripe right there, and the zippers are very nice, like they're metal. These are not cheap plastic zippers. They are like a metal zipper. They have this little grommet pull tab right here. Let's just open it up. Oh, check that out. You have an outlet for your headphones, so a headphone outlet right there. More reflective striping. This is something I would recommend for anyone that's got like a bicycle that's riding in the city, or like around a college campus or something like that, and you just need to put all your books in or have random things around. Oh wow, check that out. And you also have a little like thing right here for a water bottle or something like that, both sides. So let's go ahead and let's open it up and see what's in it up here. Number one, you get your hydration pack right there with your bite tab. I will install that later. And just kind of like looking over it here, here's some little instructions. It was in a plastic bag, but I took it out of the plastic bag. This just kind of like tells you how to hook up your hydration. Check it out. That's like foam material for keeping your water cool. How nice is that? There is a cool feature with this. You guys see what this is? You know what that is right there? I'll show you. Those are LED lights that you would string on the backpack. How cool is that? You get a set of LED lighting system on this thing, and there is a lot on here actually. You can wrap them all around this or use them for something else because they're very flexible LED lights. I will show them, and you have a little like thing right here, a little belt clip where you can hook them on to something right there. And that is awesome that they actually have that feature in there. You get more pockets here on the outside, and then on the inside you've got like a stretchy top pocket, elastic pocket right there, and another big pocket right here. And is there any more zippers down in there? And that looks like that's it. And this is some Velcro right here for holding on to. This Velcro can wrap up in there where the hose will go for the hydration thing. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the REINOS hydration / backpack. Maybe even a cooler. See y'all in the next video.